sweet Sophia here. Hello, how is it going? Okay, so I went to Barnes & Noble like 2 seconds ago, and I got this yummy keycaps blind bar, and it looks awesome. Okay, so it's by Tokidoki, and it only cost me $3.95. Okay, awesome. Okay, so they're little food keycaps, and here's all the ones you can collect if you want to. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. There's a glare, and my thing won't focus because it's just an iPod Touch. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's open it. Okay, tear tab here. So excited. Okay. It's this guy! Oh my gosh, which one is this? It's awesome. It's like a cookie thing. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Stick around if you want more of this, because I will definitely be opening blind packs and stuff on this channel. It's just so cute. Oh my god. I can't get over that. Okay. This is going on my keys. Okay. See ya. See you next time. Bye-bye.